Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to tell you guys something about turning 60. It doesn't mean slowing down. It means tuning into your body, your mind, and your peace. You see, the real health secrets after 60 aren't about kale smoothies or gym memberships. They're about small habits that make a big difference. So today I'm going to share a few of my favorites, the kind of secrets that help you age well instead of just getting old. All right, come on, let's get into it. We all know what the first one is: movement. We got to keep moving, we got to keep stretching, we got to keep flexible. That's number one to aging gracefully as we get older. You don't have to run a marathon or lift weights at the gym. You can stretch when you wake up, walk around the block. You can even do a little two-step in the kitchen while you're preparing a meal. I call it kitchen cardio. I do it a lot. The music's free, the floor is familiar, and you don't need your dancing shoes on. You just gotta move. That movement keeps your joints happy, your heart strong, and your mind clear. And the secret is consistency, not intensity. So many people think you have to push yourself to the limit to get that workout in, to get that exercise going. You don't have to do that. You have to be consistent with it every day, every other day, but be consistent with it. A gentle walk every day beats a brutal workout once a month. So the consistency is what makes you feel better, keeps you going, and it's consistency, not intensity. Here's one you probably heard: you are what you eat. And so after 60, that's the gospel truth. But don't think diet, think nourishment. Colorful fruits, leafy greens, nuts, and olive oil. Olive oil has become one of my staples right now. I try to eat it all the time, and I've gotten big into this basil pesto. That stuff is so good on anything, if you ask me. Those type of things are like a medicine cabinet of nutrients and vitamins and everything you need to keep your body sustained and feeling good. And yeah, if you like me and you like dessert, you can still have it. Just make it a treat and not a routine. I had got to the point where my sweets had become part of my meal, and I don't need that. My doctor told me no more sweets, juices, carbs, and starches. That's a no-no. A small slice of cake or a piece of pie or a cookie, just enjoy it slowly and gratefully. It's better than eating a whole pie or a whole cake at one sitting. And then you have the guilt behind it. Who wants the guilt behind eating a sweet? As we get older, our taste buds, they might change, but our enjoyment of food should never change. We should be able to enjoy food. We just have to make better choices on what we are eating and putting into our body. Eat with color, eat with joy, and drink plenty of water. Now here's one that nobody really talks about a lot, and that's hydration. As we age, our thirst signals fade. So if you wait until you feel thirsty, you're already behind. Keep you a pretty bottle of water. Try Epic water. It has a filter right in it, and I have a video on Epic water, and you get a nice container to carry it in if you want to drink water from a stream. They have the filters for that. So go ahead and try Epic water. Sometimes water just tastes better when the bottle is cute. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber. Herbal tea counts too. Hydration just helps everything: your skin, your energy, and even your memory. I'm outside, you guys, and you know I'm not used to talking outside where people can see me. Another thing is your body listens to your thoughts. Isn't that amazing? When you talk to your body, it listens to you. When you're anxious, your muscles tense up. When you're relaxed, your body calms down and relaxes with you. So one of the best health secrets after 60 is to talk kindly to yourself. Replace, "Oh, I'm getting old," with, "I'm getting wiser." Replace, "I can't do that anymore," with, "I'll find a gentler way to do that." That little shift changes your mood, your energy, and even your body's chemistry. So it's positive thinking. Try a few minutes of deep breathing each morning when you wake up. You can do a gratitude journal. Those are just some simple habits, but they rewire your brain for peace. And peace, as you get older, is a powerful medicine. Who wants to get older and be living in chaos and drama? Nobody. It's not good for your health. Keeps you stressed out, keeps your blood pressure up. You don't want that. Another thing is sleep. Sleep changes as we age. But that doesn't mean we have to settle for restless nights. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, resets your hormones, and refreshes your mind. So create a bedtime routine. Turn off the phone, dim the lights, and make your room the temperature that you like, whether it's cool or warm. But make that part of your nightly routine for falling asleep. A calm mind falls asleep faster than a busy mind. And sometimes I have that busy mind that it just won't shut off, and it just takes me forever to fall asleep. And then if you wake up in the middle of the night, don't force yourself to try to sleep. Just get up, maybe read a book, watch a little television until sleep comes again, and fall asleep that way. Because I do that quite often, where I'll wake up in the middle of the night. Sometimes I go to the bathroom, but it's also because I'm a little restless and can't fall back to sleep like I want to. So I just get up, piddle around the house a little bit, and then get back in the bed, and usually I'll fall asleep that way. And one of my favorite health secrets is friendship. We don't just need vitamins and veggies, we need each other. Talk to friends, join a group, call family. Connection keeps your heart open, your mood lifted, and your mind sharp. And laughter. Let's not forget laughter. You guys know I love laughing. That's the best medicine of all. And it's covered by most health insurances. And even if you don't have health insurance, laughter is free. So have a little laugh a day. That's one of my things I do, is I gotta have a laugh a day. What they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So does a laugh. A laugh a day keeps the doctor away. And it's good for your soul. It's good for your spirit to laugh and enjoy that good, hearty laugh. So these are some of the real health secrets for life after 60. It's not about perfection. It's about participation. Move gently. Eat colorful. Drink plenty, rest deeply, think kindly, and never stop connecting with life, with others, and with yourself. Your body has carried you through so much. It deserves your love, your patience, and your care. Here's to feeling good, living well, and aging beautifully. One healthy secret at a time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you something to think about as far as your health goes after 60. And I hope you guys have a lovely day. Take care. I love you. Bye.